Oops. Okay. Awesome. All right, guys, good to see you today. I'm glad you're here. So we're gonna go ahead and start. When I say your name, please say hello to me, okay? And with the E. Hi, good to see you. Okay. Chris. Hello, Chris. Good to see you. Ann, no E. Hello, Ann. Good to see you. Amanda. Hello, Amanda. Alice. Hi, Alice. Good to see you. Sally. Hi, Sally. Good to see you. Okay. And then next, let's go back to Zoom. Lunar. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Lunar. Nice to see you today. Sally at home.
Hello.
Hello. Good to see you. Jimmy.
Hello.
Hello, Jimmy. Good to see you. David. David, if you can hear me, say hello. Okay, David, I see you. David, message me if you can, all right? And then Jaehoon.
Hi.
Hey, Jaehoon, good to see you. Okay, Lucy, are you there?
Hello.
Hey, Lucy, good to see you. Okay, good. I'm glad that we're all here today. So let's go ahead and begin tonight. Tonight, we're doing our writing book. So let's go ahead and begin on our first unit today, page 14. All right, so guys, on page 14, there are 3 questions right here. Zoom students, I will share this with you so you can see a little better. There are 3 questions on page 14. We're going to use this today as our warm-up questions. When it's your turn, go ahead and give me one of the sentences you prepared. Chris, the first question tonight is, what kinds of places do you like going on vacation? Like to go to Australia. Ooh, that sounds really nice. Okay, and same question. What kinds of places do you like to go on vacation? Busan? Okay, I like Busan. It's pretty good there. All right, at home, you guys, same questions. Let's do it, okay? Jaehoon, number 1, what kinds of places do you want to go on vacation?
Camping.
Camping. Yes, camping. Maybe up in the mountains. All right, Jaehoon, thank you. Lunar, what about you? Where is a place that you would like to go? What is a good place to go on vacation?
I like to go on beach on my vacation.
And then Sally, I think you're my last student tonight. Sally, what do you like to do on your vacation?
I want to eat delicious food in this place.
Okay. Which place do you want to go? Which place?
Jeju Island.
All right, so guys, tonight we're talking all about like our favorite vacation. All right, we're gonna write an essay this evening about our favorite vacation, and we're gonna learn one of the first parts of an essay. Let's go over here and look on page 15. Do I have any volunteers to go ahead and read this part? Who wants to read about the attention grabber? This is our first part. Yes, Sally, thank you. Go ahead and begin. Mhm. Good. All right, so guys, simply put, the attention grabber is the first sentence in your essay. It's the first thing that I'm going to read about your essay. It is the first thing someone else will say. And guys, the most important thing about this sentence, it needs to be exciting. And it comes in 3 forms. It comes in the question, it comes in the interesting fact, and it comes as a quote, like a quotation. Okay, guys, at the bottom here, part A, the book gives us 3 examples. Let's look at number 1. We're looking for a question. So guys, look at this. Who can tell me, what is the question? Go ahead and tell me. Someone answer it for me. Raise your hands and let's hear about it. Let me get somebody on Zoom maybe. Lucy, what do you think? Can you tell me which one is a question off this page? Remember, we're looking for the first sentence of the essay.
Have you ever considered a cold weather destination for your vacation? Although most people think of warm places for vacation, places like Alaska offer many unique experiences.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so easiest thing to say for an attention grabber, just ask a question, right? Have you ever considered a cold weather destination for your vacation? Have you ever been to Korea? Have you ever had tteokbokki? These are interesting questions you can use to start an essay. Good. Thank you, Lucy. All right, and maybe somebody next for the quotation. Let's just talk about this one real quick. Let's get somebody on Zoom. It's a little easier to hear them speak. Lunar, would you be okay speaking a quotation? This last one? Let me give you a little help here. So the question is here. Fact was here. This one.
Life is either a daring adventure or nothing, according to the famous American Helen Keller. Like Helen Keller, I think adventure is important, especially when I go on vacation.
Great. Yeah. So guys, a quotation, if you ever see the quotation, like these little marks in the essay, if you see this, this is a quote. If you start your sentence with, if you start your essay with a quote, or maybe this famous author once said, this is another interesting way to start an essay, okay? So guys, here we go. I've prepared 6 examples. Let's go ahead and work on this together. You guys tell me what kind of sentence it is and why you think this way. Okay. All right, so we have this first question here. Let's start with Jaehoon. Jaehoon, number 1. I'll go ahead and read it to you. Anita Desai once said, wherever you go becomes a part of you somehow. This is, what kind of attention grabber is it?
A quotation.
Yes, exactly right. It is a quotation, right? Because again, we see those quotation marks and it's something that somebody said, okay? Good. So it is a quotation. All right, let's do number 3. And without the E. Say it really loud for me. Yeah, this is a quotation, right? Why is it a quote? It has the quotation marks, right? It's quotation marks. Yeah, it's a quote. All right, so you guys can like quote a famous person. You can quote a movie if you want to, right? Thank you, Anne. So guys, these are the 3 types of attention grabbers. We have the quotes, the facts, and the question. So when you start the first sentence in your essay, make it interesting. Apply this to our topic today, which is traveling. Thank you. So at the bottom here, page 15, I want you guys to think about where you want to go and write some kind of attention grabber for it. Choose one of the types of attention grabbers you can use. Try using a quote or a fact or a quotation. Lunar, you said earlier you wanted to go to Jeju or do you want to go to the beach?
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me a quote, a fact, or a question to start your sentence, start your paragraph?
I make a question.
Yeah, you can make a question.
Give me, for example.
Okay, I can give you an example. So for example, let's say that I want to go skiing. So if I was going to use a question, I might say, have you ever been skiing before?
Have been going to beach on vacation.
Yeah, Luna, that's right. That's a question. Yeah. Have you ever been to the beach for vacation? Good job, Luna. Great. All right. Everybody, on page 18 and 19, we're going to go ahead and get into groups. And I want you guys to think about an essay topic for the evening. We're going to spend about 15 minutes doing this. On this side of the page, over here on this side, I want you guys to brainstorm with a group. Where do you want to go? Think of 2 places. So maybe you can choose Jeju or somewhere in Korea, but you can think of other countries too. And then I want you guys to also think of why. So tonight, if you're in the room, I'm going to put you guys into some groups. I guess to make things easy, we're going to do this one group here. So this row. And then over here, guys, you guys are group 2, and you guys are gonna be completing this page. Feel free to stand up, and I want you guys to speak English and discuss your options, okay? Because whatever you guys choose, you guys will pick one, and then you guys will complete this page with it. All right, I'll give you guys a couple minutes. Go ahead and stand up and begin talking to each other, okay? All right, now Zoom students, it's our turn. We're gonna do these pages together. I'm gonna start with Jaehoon. Where do you wanna go for vacation?
I want to go to Disney World for vacation.
Disney World, that's a great place. All right, thanks, Jaehoon, good. Lunar, how about one of yours?
I want to go Canada on my vacation.
Thank you, Lunar. Lucy, how about one more place?
Oh, I want to go Japan on
Oh,
vacation.
okay, Japan. Jimmy, how about you? Jimmy, maybe which one do you want to go to?
I want to go Germany on my vacation.
Germany. Okay, that's a good point. All right, David, can you hear me, David? All right, David, where do you want to go on vacation? No mic. If you can hear me, can you message me an answer? Message me, David. Where do you want to go for vacation? Okay. All right, Sally, where do you want to go on vacation?
I want to go to France on vacation.
Oh, France on vacation. Good. So guys, now that we've chose like a place, we should think of some activities we want to do. Zoom students, go ahead and start working on this. Tell me, why do you want to go to this country, okay? While you guys are doing that, I'm going to go talk to the students in the room, okay? I'll be right back with you guys. All right, how's it going, guys? What did your groups decide? Very quickly, Jaehoon. Jaehoon, why do you want to go one of these places?
Because it would be fun.
Okay, it would be fun, sure. Okay, thank you, Jaehoon. Lunar, what do you think?
Because I heard from my friend Canada's view is very beautiful.
Canada has great views. Okay, sure. So we'll just put these two here. Okay, good job, you guys on Zoom. Thank you. So guys, here's a sample essay about this topic, right? We're gonna go ahead and read this together, the whole class together. And then we're gonna look for the important sentences in this essay, okay? So guys, we highlighted those important sentences, right? So now, on page 21, I want you guys, we've already highlighted a lot of this stuff, but let me go ahead and let's ask some questions. So guys, the first question, we're gonna underline the thesis statement in the introduction. Now again, I said we're gonna talk about the thesis statement at another time. But from what I said tonight, what is the thesis statement? Can anyone tell me? Lucy at home. Lucy, what is our thesis statement? Can you tell me that?
Westminster Abbey.
Oh, not quite. That's not quite the thesis statement.
Ah,
So underline the thesis statement in our introduction.
ah. Oh, there are two main reasons why I would like to go to London. First, for the historic buildings, and second, for the city's arts and culture.
Yes, that's right. Okay, Lucy, great. If you're in the room with me, I'm going to give you an essay paper. Zoom students, I'm going to give you a paper I want you to write on. Guys, in the chat box, I have sent you a link. Go ahead and click on this link, look for your name, and I'll be with you guys in a moment, okay? So once you guys get to this one, it should say at the top, 21 Fall, Online Essay Writing, MA3SO2, Unit 1A. When you get there, go ahead and look for your name on the side of the paper. When you see your name, so for example, I'll use Lunar today. So Lunar, if you would go here, you would click your name, and then you go ahead and start writing your essay right here. So Lucy, Sally J. Okay, great job, everybody. I'll be right back with you guys, okay? All right, let's get a quick around. Okay, guys, this is very important. Make sure, we talked a lot about the attention grabber tonight, right? Make sure that your essay has that attention grabber in it. I'm really looking for that sentence in particular tonight. As you guys finish, please raise your hand so I can come read it. I'll read it and I'll proofread it for you guys to see how it's doing. And then Zoom students, I'm just looking through your essay now, okay, just so I know if you guys need any help or not. Mhm. All right, Zoom students doing really well. Thank you for your work. All right, guys, as you're going, I'm going to go ahead and highlight your attention grabber just so I can see it, okay? A lot of people doing questions that are good. If you're finished, I'll go ahead and take a look at it, okay? All right, guys, we have a little bit of time left. If you didn't finish your writing, it's going to be homework, okay? So here's what we're going to do last. If you're in this room with me, I want you guys to take out your phone. You can turn it on. I need you guys to go ahead and scan this bottom part. Zoom students, I'm going to send you a paper. I want you guys to go ahead and click this link and complete it before the class ends, okay? This is our exit ticket for the night. We're going to try to do one of these every week at the end of class. So guys, go ahead and click on this at home. I put it in the Zoom chat box. All right, so if you guys at home can't find this, please let me know, okay? Zoom students, if you're able to find this paper that's on my screen, give me the circle. And if you couldn't find it, give me the X, okay? Go ahead and show me now, circle or X.